see about Virtaal editor in this video. It is a CAT tool, a graphical translation tool built on Translate Toolkit, and the official website is given here. It is perfect for beginners, and it's a simplest Xlif editor, and it also has QA check features. So it is very easy to start with this tool. These are the supported formats of this Virtaal editor. It even supports SDL Xlif and WordFast and Omega T glossary formats. Let's see how to download and install Virtaal. So first type Virtaal download. It will take you to the official website. There click that green download button. It will take you to sourceforge.net, and from there you click that green button. The counter will go on. After 5 seconds the download will start, and you can see that the download has started. So now let's proceed to installation. Run as administrator. So the installation is going on. So proceed. Complete the installation. So installation is completed. Now Virtaal is opened now, and let us open a file. We can see that it's very easy to handle and easy to open a file. Let me close and open a TMX file also. It effortlessly handles TMX file and SDLXL file. I hope this video has been useful to you. So thank you and bye.